Y'all, I'm so ready to get into this wig. I don't even really have an intro, so let's just get right into it because this is a water wave half wig from UNICE hair. But I am from the country, so let me make sure I show my manners. If you're new here, I am Ashley. And if you're tuning back in with me, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. But y'all, UNICE hair did it with the construction, y'all. It has an invisible seamless front and it has two cones in the front. This is part of their design to make the flip over more seamless. This is what we're looking like so far, y'all. We're starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and detangle that through so I can get the foundation together. One thing I wanted to say as a reminder, you can always do braids, flat twists, plaits for your method for your foundation underneath your wig. I just find that sometimes a ponytail is literally the quickest and most convenient for the time that I have. Now we got the hair all brushed out, y'all. For this install, I am going to be doing kind of like a quick method, so let's go ahead and show you how to do that. With the half wig, you do not need a lot of leave out, y'all. This isn't even a centimeter of leave out, and this is what I have, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. I'm going to be talking y'all through why I have a braid on one side and plaits on the other side, so disregard that for now. But this is all you need to have a simple flat install for this half wig, and just make sure you're tucking that through to your ponytail. I'm gonna come on and do a quick little chit chat while I easily installed this water wave wig from UNICE hair. This isn't 24 inches, y'all, and I really wanted to point out the construction of the front. They have two combs in the front and you have one by each ear tab. It also comes with a drawstring, so that makes this wig very versatile because not only can you wear it in like a flip over half wig type of situation, you can do a headband wig by putting a headband on. You can even do a ponytail, a half up, half down, a half up, half up. Like, it's just a lot that you can do with this, and you can do that viral front braided style with this wig. So this is how she's looking straight out the box. I have been doing a lot of wet looks, so today I will be doing a dry install. We're going to be using my wand curler, and this is going to be for the girlies who, if your texture does not match the texture, like if your natural texture does not match your wig texture, this is a great alternative to do. If you want heatless, you can always braid your hair or twist your hair with like a mousse or a light product, and when it dries, take it loose and you'll be able to blend it with this texture. But if you don't mind a little heat on your hair, we're gonna be doing that. I have my wand curler set up on a low setting, so we're not gonna be putting that much heat on my hair, but I've always wanted to try the wand curl look with a half wig. I haven't done it yet, so I'm very excited to do that. Just make sure you use your heat protectant and have your styler on low and you're good to go. I don't even have that much hair left out, truly, because you don't need that much hair. This is such a quick and easy beginner friendly install, and you do get a lot of security with all the combs and the drawstring, so you're good to go. Ankle braid is a very good way to help your hair. And then on this side, I did two plaits because either way, if you don't know how to braid to the scalp but you know how to pick up 3 strands of hair and plait them, you're good. So I just want to show y'all that either side will be able to lay seamless and flat. So let's just go ahead and throw it on. Very simple. I'm gonna start in the front. I like to start in the front just so I can see where it's at, and then I work my way to the back with the last comb, and that's all you have to do to install this wig. Oh my god, I cannot wait to do a deep side flip over, but that's just how easy it is to flip. It has a very seamless front, so you can flip it to either side. I am a right side to the left flip type of girly. What side do y'all like your hair to be flipped on? Yeah, so let me stop playing with that for a second. And what we're gonna do now is go ahead and get our natural hair together. So this is all the leave out I left out. Take my wand curl, and I'm just gonna use the bottom part. I need the pencil one, but if you don't have a pencil, just use the bottom of a regular size wand curler and you're good to go. And I'm gonna leave it like that for a second to move to the next piece. And y'all, I already had heat protectant on my hair when I had it twisted down, so I should be good to go. It doesn't take much to get it curled. Work on this next piece. And y'all, I take it 2 times and wrap it around, and then I kind of curl it in so I know I'm not getting too close to my face. Now, as for these pieces, I'm gonna curl it going down. So we're gonna switch hands. Can I switch hands? How much room I got on my plug? I'm gonna unplug it. I still get some heat for a second, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I need to get a little closer to my root. Just roll and curl it. Okay, I did that side. I love the wand curl straight out of the packaging, so this is a very simple way to wear this wig. You can flip it to either side. And this was the final results, y'all. Soon as you use that wand curl, that's literally it. You just tease it backwards and you are good to go. I want to show y'all a quick little way you can add in your headband piece to do a bun. But if you check out my TikTok, I do show 2 more ways to style it. One with the headband and one with a simple half or half down. Y'all, this water wave wig is definitely one that needs to be in your summer rotation because it'll definitely be in mine. Bye, y'all.